Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's Mark Azucena with Simply Vegas, and today a client hit me up on my website right here. It's buylasvegasnow.com. Scroll down and you'll see the section called Homes with Pools, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so starting with the front of the house, we got a nice little palm tree, pavers on the garage, driveway actually, and it's Pulte Homes, American West. I believe this was part of the Jones crossing, because right over here is Jones, and right behind us we got Blue Diamond Road. Shopping is all over right here. You got a Target, a bunch of restaurants, and yeah, we're really close to the airport and the Las Vegas Strip. It's just about like 10-15 minutes away. So it is a 3-story model, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, about 3,000 square feet. Side of the house, that right there, that is your solar panel line connected up there. You know, it's just like my house that I bought, but this was built in 2013. Mine was built in 2022, so fairly older, but still remodeled. Got the Ring camera right here. Stepping in, yeah, same floor plan as my house. Starting with, you got little wood-like tiles, and then you got your LVP flooring. So where shall we start? Starting on the bottom floor. Yeah, this is exactly like my house. So they added the option to have another bedroom right here, because all of this would have just been called your game room. And yeah, LVP flooring on the floor. Come over here, you got upgraded carpet, fan up on the top. Okay, here is the upgraded bathroom. Water closet, tiled shower. Oh yeah, this is a nice porcelain tile. Little area to put your shampoos and stuff. Modern window for natural lighting. Oh, that's a nice mirror. Fixtures. All right, so pretty small backyard, but we do got a pool with a waterfall, water features. Got a little grill right here. Ooh. Nice little seating area. Is this a part of the, yeah, this is like mounted onto the stone. Well, yep, here is your pool equipment right here. Okay, let me just lock that. And now here is your washer and dryer. This is like the room that's kind of like under the stairs. You got storage down here. And this is your garage. Okay, we're gonna head up to floor number 2, which should be your kitchen area and the living room. Oh, this is upgraded. You got a nice quartz countertop island with the vanes. Whirlpool, French door refrigerator. Yeah, they totally upgraded this. Countertop, quartz calcolata. Like the little arch here. All right. No soft close. Nope. Yep, that is a large island. Okay, so now this is your living room area, just like my house. TV goes up right there. You got front balcony, just like my house. Okay. I'm assuming the guest bathroom is over here. This is your little linen closet. Okay, we're gonna head up to the 3rd and final floor. Yeah, that's LVP for sure. Okay, got a little tiny loft area. And this will be bedroom number 2, which is about 10 by 10. Bedroom number 3. And here is the guest bathroom upstairs, tiled showers. All right, and here is your primary suite. Large room here, it's about like 17 by 18. And nope, there is no strip view out there. But I can see the Silverton Casino. Okay, water closet. Again, you got your calcolata quartz with the vanes, upgraded mirrors, lighting fixtures. Here is the walk-in closet with the upgraded cabinets here. I like this. Okay, nice little rainfall shower. You got your little tiled step down. Oh, this is dual shower. Okay, so this could be like a his and a hers shower at the same time. Party in the shower. All right, guys, so got to talk about the price. The price on this is $699,900. So basically almost 700,000. Now I ran the comps on this because they sell houses like these by my house. Exact same flooring model without the pool. And the recent comps tell me that this should be around 590, 595, 610 maybe. So if you like this property, get with an agent who knows what they're doing and will run the comps for you. Because, yeah, it's a nice house. It's just a little bit overpriced in my opinion. All right. So don't forget to check out buylasvegasnow.com. I'm gonna do a short series. A lot of people been hitting me up from Hawaii. They want a house in the Southwest with a pool, and this is like kind of their price range. You know, the mid 500s to the 600s. And I guess that's it for today, folks. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.